You leave an agent running overnight. The model goes down at 2 in the morning. You wake up to a dead pipeline and zero progress. Claude Code just fixed that and shipped 5 more changes worth your time. The full fix comes last. 6 changes stand out. The first one decides whether your agent survives a server overload. The second cuts tokens and latency on models that overthink by default. The third gives a single deny rule power over every tool at once. The fourth lets your org pin the exact version everyone runs. No exceptions. The fifth turns stop hooks into a feedback loop that keeps the turn alive. And the sixth stops one failed bash command from killing the whole batch. The biggest cluster of changes sits in the agent's view. Background sessions now update Claude Code in the background. No more cold restarts after an update. Rows show done versus total when work fans out. A new waiting for field tells you exactly what a session is blocked on. Type a URL into the list to jump straight to the session that mentioned it. And the painful ones are fixed. Worktree sessions no longer crash loop. Failed replies queue for the next start, and sessions stop booting on a stale model. Permissions got serious for teams. Deny rules now accept globs. One rule can block every tool. Manage settings can pin an approved version range. Outside it, Claude Code refuses to start. Web fetch domain rules finally override the pre-approved host list. And on Windows, permission rules now match \paths. Deny rules also catch home directory paths referenced through the home variable. Security hardening landed too. Messages relayed from other Claude sessions no longer carry your authority. Receivers refuse relayed permission requests, and auto mode blocks them outright. On top of that, the MCP command line stops printing secrets. Credential headers and URL secrets are now redacted. Hooks, skills, and plugins all picked up new tricks. Stop hooks can return additional context. Claude gets the feedback and keeps working. No error raised. A new plugin list command shows what is installed, with enabled and disabled filters. Skills get a $escape for literal values. And 2 sharp MCP fixes. Sub-second timeouts no longer abort every tool call. The LSP workspace symbol search actually returns results now. Headless and CI workflows got cleaner. Claude-P no longer hangs forever when a background command never exits. It also stops failing on Bedrock and Vertex when CI is set and no Anthropic key exists. Background subagent output no longer corrupts standard out. And OpenTelemetry resource attributes now label your metrics, slice usage by team or by repo. Then the paper cuts. JetBrains terminals stop flickering. Shifted special characters stop disappearing in Westterm, Ghosty, and Kitty. Startup is quieter, notices grouped by severity. Failed turns show one compact warning instead of a wall of red. Clicking a / command now fills your prompt instead of firing it instantly. And rendering got faster for large file writes. And the payoff. Here is how it actually works. The moment your primary model flags, Claude Code walks a chain of up to 3 fallbacks, in order automatically. Stack syncing controls on top. And latency and token burn drop the second the fallback takes over. One retry on unexpected API errors covers the rest. That is how you protect a 10-hour overnight pipeline. Update with Claude Update. It even announces the target version now. So fallback models. A resilience win, or do you want to know loudly when your primary model is down? Pick a side in the comments.